all of you, please write your name, roll number in that chat box. Okay.
Ma'am, roll number or serial number?
Do you know your roll number?
Ma'am, roll number or serial number?
Roll number, not serial
Okay,
number.
okay.
So we have to wait for a few minutes because of 55 students have joined here. Fifty-nine students right now. Okay, right now 62 students are present, so I want to start this class. Okay, all of you agree? Anyone please reply it.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so mute your microphone first of all.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
first of all, I want to present something. Then I will start that class. First of all, I have to switch to turn on my camera now. Okay. Okay, is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So good afternoon to all of you.
Good
Hello,
morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. First of
Good
all,
afternoon, ma'am.
please mute your microphone. Okay, okay, okay. I will discuss with everything. Okay, here. So first of all, please you all of you mute your microphone. Okay. Do you know my name? No,
No, ma'am.
no.
Joyshree, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Yeah,
Yes,
Joyshree,
no,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ma'am. Right, it's simply okay. So I will take your physics class. This is the class basically prerequisite class. That's why we will not entered in that syllabus properly. But from the next week, I will start our regular classes based on the syllabus. Okay. So first of all, tell me, how are you, all of you? Anyone on behalf of your IT department, anyone replied that how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Within that,
Fine, ma'am.
fine,
Fine, ma'am.
fine
Fine,
in
ma'am.
that
Fine.
COVID
Fine.
situation.
Fine, ma'am.
All
Good,
of you are
ma'am.
fine. Okay, 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 okay. Any problem? I'm getting some message that sound quality. Write it. Any issues regarding sound? Is it audible properly
Mm.
now?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
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 It's sometimes getting stuck.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 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 okay. Now tell me that yesterday already you have joined that IT department, different programs, organizing programs. So whatever that you're thinking about anything that what do you want to do right now? I want to know from your side first of all. Anyone? Here 65 students are available. If I get that physical class, okay, that is a virtual class, physical class, then I can interact with all of you. So right now, one by one, I will call you and you just tell me about yourself and you just interact with me and then I will introduce myself. Okay. So first of all, Abhijit Sao. Abhijit Sao.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. How are
Good
you?
afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah,
I'm
it's
fine,
okay.
ma'am.
Good. Fine. From where you go?
Ma'am, I'm from Asansol.
Asansol.
Yes, ma'am.
Asansol where?
Ma'am, Asansol, ma'am, Bazaar side. Ma'am, that.
Okay, okay. From which school?
Ma'am, Burnpur Riverside School.
Banpur Riverside School. 10, 12 both.
Ma'am, both.
Both. Okay, okay, fine. So now you are the student of Asansol Engineering College. So welcome to
Yes, ma'am.
all of you in this college, in this IT department also. So
Thank
I
you, ma'am.
wish you that you will, all of you will get a better opportunity in your life actually after going through that all of that. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
so mute your microphone right now. Then
Okay,
we
ma'am.
will discuss with Abhishek Chaudhuri. Abhishek Chaudhuri,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. Please switch on your video. Turn on your video. Okay. Abhishek. Abhishek, how are you?
Ma'am, fine.
And tell you about you something I want to know. Tell me
Ma'am,
something.
I live in Kulti. My name
Yes.
is Abhishek Chaudhary,
Kulti
and
where? Thanamore,
upper
New Road.
up, upper Kulti, ma'am.
Ah, Kulti. Okay. And
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have completed my 10 plus 2 through CBSE board. My school name is Priyadarshini Public School.
Priyadarshini School. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And my hobby is to cycling or riding bikes.
Riding bikes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So I hope that later, after completion of BTech, or hope that within that period you want to go Ladakh by bike tour. You have
Yes, ma'am.
got any plan
Yes,
about it?
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Mute your microphone. Others Sarma. Others Sarma. Others mute your. Actually, your microphone is muted right now.
Good
Others,
afternoon,
yes.
ma'am. My
Good
name is
afternoon.
Adarsh Sharma, and I am
Yeah.
from Giridih, Jharkhand. And I am completed my 10 plus 2 through CBSE board from here, Giridih. And my hobby is to play cricket.
DDD. In that COVID situation, you try to
Yes,
play
ma'am.
cricket in the field. Right now, you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
playing. Oh, okay,
No, ma'am, no.
okay.
Locked in the house.
Locked in the house, really?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
From some day.
okay. From?
Thank you, ma'am. For some day.
Oh, okay, okay. Mute your microphone. Thank you. Adrita Pathak. Adrita,
Good morning, ma'am.
how are? Yeah, good afternoon. That is right now. Time is near about
Sorry, ma'am.
12:14. Okay.
Good
So,
afternoon,
how are
ma'am.
you?
I'm fine, ma'am. My name is Adrita Pathak. I'm born and brought up in Asansol, and I've completed my 10 plus 2 from BRS. And my class, I'm an AGI. My school's name is Asansol, AG Church Asansol. And my hobbies are painting, dancing, and sometimes I read novels. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Agnishwar Mukherjee.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Okay, I'm fine also right now. Actually, your class has started, so I'm
Yeah,
very
ma'am.
much right now. Okay, now tell me about yourself. I want to know.
Ma'am, I am Agnishwar Mukherjee and I have completed my 10 plus 2 from Banpur Riverside School and I am a resident of Newtown, Banpur, and mm, I have passion. Actually, I am an aspirant of UPSC and I am thinking of preparing for it.
Okay, so you take preparation from right now. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you try to take preparation. The preparation
Yeah, ma'am.
is very difficult and the syllabus is used. Actually, not difficult. It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not difficult, but the syllabus is used. So we have to take
Yes, ma'am.
preparation little bit from right now. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So best of luck for that one. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So
Thank
mute your microphone right now. Akanksha. Akanksha, where are you?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Here,
Yeah.
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Akansha. I'm from Dhanbad. I have passed my 10th plus 2 examinations from DAV Public School, Sindri, and my hobbies are painting. That's all.
Okay. Mute your microphone. Thank you. Anish. Anish. Anish.
Hello. Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Sorry. Good
Yes.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
My name is Anish Rawat. I'm
Susan,
from
turn on your
Asansol.
video. Turn on your video.
I'm actually, it's dark in here. I'm in Bangalore. I'm from Asansol, but I came here to attend a wedding, so it's dark in.
Okay. So at that wedding, you are joining the classes. Very good. You are
It's
getting that time.
online, ma'am.
Right,
Online.
it's online till you are in wedding. Till now, you are joining that classes. That is very good. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
completed my 10 plus 2 from St. Thomas, Dhanbad, St. Thomas High School, Dhanbad.
Mhm.
And my hobbies are cycling and sometimes watching Netflix special and listening music.
Okay. Very good. Okay. So mute your microphone right now. Anjali Shao. Anjali.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon.
My name is Anjali Shah. I am from Kulti. I have done my plus two from Greenpoint Academy, that is a CBSE board school. And my hobby is in my life I usually do painting.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Mute your microphone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anmol Kumar Gupta. Anmol Kumar Gupta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Ma'am, I am fine, ma'am. My name is Anmol Kumar Gupta. I completed my 10 plus 2 from CBSE school. My hobbies are to play football and listen to music, and that's all.
Okay. Thank you. Mute your microphone.
And I am from Chinakudi.
China.
I live in Chinakudi.
Okay. 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 Mute your microphone. Arijit Bandyopadhyay. Arijit Bandyopadhyay.
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay.
Ma'am, I am Arijit Bandyopadhyay. I live in Rupnanpur and I passed my 10 plus 2 from CBSE, that is DAV Public School, Rupnanpur.
Okay. And your hobby?
Ma'am, my hobbies are reading detective storybooks.
Only reading.
Yes, ma'am.
I thought actually when I go through your name, I thought that you also want to sing music.
No, ma'am, not
Arijit
really.
Bandyopadhyay.
But but I
Like
like
Mika.
to hear but I like to hear his songs.
Okay. 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 Very good. Very good. Very good. Mute your microphone right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Auditro Bose. Auditro. Write it now. Auditro.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Auditro. Good
Good afternoon,
afternoon.
ma'am.
Yeah. Good
Yes,
afternoon.
ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you, ma'am?
Yes. I'm fine. Fine, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, my name is Aritru Bose. I live in Durgapur, and
You live
I
in
have passed my
where? From where? You are Durgapur.
Durgapur.
Okay.
I live in Durgapur.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have passed my 10 plus 2 from Guru Tegh Bahadur Public School. That is in Durgapur only. And my hobbies are to play cricket and do swimming.
Okay. 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 Mute your
Thank you,
microphone. Thank you. Orpon Ghosh. Orpon Ghosh.
Hello. Good
Yes.
afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, how are
Good
you, ma'am?
afternoon. I'm fine, beta.
Good afternoon.
Good
Okay,
afternoon.
ma'am. I am Orphan Bose. I am from Durgapur, and I did my 10 plus 2 from Guru Tegh Bahadur Public School, which is in Durgapur. And my hobbies include playing cricket and doing swimming. That's all, ma'am.
Oh, lot of
Yes,
things.
ma'am.
Okay. Do you know
Yes.
Aritru? Do you know Aritru?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He is my brother. We are twin brothers, ma'am.
Twin brother, no? Right? Actually,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm. you, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Mute your microphone.
Thank. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm seeing that in the chat box you are sending some messages. Please don't send it. I don't like that type of messages you will send. When I will ask you to send something, then you will only send that messages in that chat box. Don't use the chat box right now. Bikram Kumar Pandit. Bikram Kumar Pandit. Bikram Kumar Pandit. Only joining the class. I hope that left that one thing. So I will remove, and the next from the next one I will remove that students. Vishnu Sharma. Vishnu Sharma.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am,
How
myself
are you,
Vishnu
Vishnu?
Sharma from Art. Fine, ma'am. Fine.
Yeah. From where?
I'm from Andal, ma'am. I
Andal.
have completed my Andal West Bengal.
Okay.
I have completed my 10 plus 2 from Asansol Eastern Railway Higher Secondary School, which is
Okay.
West Bengal board. And my hobby is working computer and listening music.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Okay, that's
Mute your
all.
microphone. Chanchal Mondol. Chanchal
Yes, ma'am.
Mondol.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your video. Good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am. I am Chanchal Mandal from Raniganj,
Yeah.
and I passed my 10 plus 2 examination from West Bengal board. It is Raniganj High School, and my hobby is cycling.
Cycling. Okay. Good. Okay, mute your microphone. Dishant. Sorry, Dilsad Ahmad.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is
Good
Vikram.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, some technical problem. I cannot switch on camera.
Okay,
For
okay,
this, ma'am,
okay.
sorry.
Okay.
Ma'am, my name is Vikram. I am 19 years old. Ma'am, I live in Jamtada.
Jamtara.
Ma'am, my hobby is to play chess. I have passed 12 from Dhanbad. Ma'am, now I am joining this from mobile. But I joined it in laptop, but don't know, ma'am, how why my camera is don't on.
Okay,
Thank
no
you, ma'am.
problem. No problem. There will be several type of issues regarding network, regarding camera, regarding microphone. So no problem. You just share with me that, ma'am, that is my problem. So just like that, you just share with me that is my camera issues are here. So no
Yes,
problem.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay,
Thank
okay,
you.
okay. Thank you. Thank you. Mute your microphone. Dilshad Ahmad.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes.
My name is Dilshad Ahmed. I am basically from Bihar, Saharsa district.
Bihar.
I did my intermediate from Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi. My short-term goal is to pass BTech with a very impeccable academic record. And my long-term goal is to clear civil service examination to become an IAS officer. My hobby is to playing cricket and traveling places where I never visited earlier.
Very good.
That's all about me, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, mute your microphone. Ishika Prabhakar.
Yes,
Ishika
ma'am.
Prabhakar. Yes.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, Ishika.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Ishika Prabhakar and I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I passed my 10th from Bishop Ascot Girls School, Rwanda, and my 12th from Cambrian Public School. My hobbies are to read books and to travel.
To travel. Okay, very good. Okay. Mute your microphone. Joita Sen. Joita Sen.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Hello, I'm Joita Sen from Moshnandapur, North 24 Parganas, and I did my 12th from Rajbaldapur High School. And my hobbies are like dancing, drawing, watching movies, especially. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Joy Chakraborty. Joy Chakraborty.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm
Good
Joy
afternoon.
Chakravarti.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Joy Chakravarti. I'm from Purulia, West Bengal, and I
Please
did
turn
my.
on your video, turn on your camera. Is it possible?
No, I'm sorry. My webcam is not in working condition. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, you are using the laptop?
Yes.
Are you using laptop, no? Okay. Okay, right. Mute your microphone right now. Kanchon Sarkar. Kanchon Sarkar.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon.
My name is Kanchan Sarkar. I am from
Yes.
Kulti. I passed my 12 in Kulti High School. My hobbies are reading various type of historical books and explore newly things. That's all.
Newly things.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you. Mute your microphone. Kaushik Sadhu.
Good
Kaushik
afternoon,
Sadhu.
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Kaushik. I am from Dumka. I have completed my plus 2 from GGPS Bokaro, and I have completed my 10th from St. Joseph School, Dumka. And my hobby is to do coding and traveling.
Okay. Mute your microphone. Thank you. Kunal Kesh.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Kunal. I'm from Budbud, Puro Bardhaman. Ma'am, I have passed my 10 plus 2 from Manishi International School, which is a CBSE affiliated school. and my hobby is to playing games and listening to music.
Very good. Mute your microphone. Manish Kumar. Manish Kumar Gore. Write it now. Manish Kumar. Mohammad Sohail Khan. Mohammad Sohail Khan.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Sohail Khan, and I am from Asansol, and I have completed my 10 plus 2 from DAV Public School, and that is a CBSE school. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Nandini Pal. Okay, sorry. Meghal Pandey.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I am Meghal Pandey from Kulti. I have completed my plus 2 from Prerequisite Public School, which is CBSE affiliated school. And my hobbies is to do gardening and riding bikes.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, mute your microphone. Nandini Pal.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Nandini Pal from Ojitish Nagar, Kollaneshwari. I have completed my plus 2 from Cambrian Public School, Ranchi, and my hobbies are listening to music. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Nidhi Kumari.
Good morning, ma'am. My
Good
name is
afternoon.
Nidhi Kumari. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Nidhi Kumari. I am from Kulti. I have passed 10 plus 2 from CBSE board, and my hobbies are sketching and drawing and all, designing. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Do you know who are you next?
Me?
Next.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Nikunj Ranjan, and I'm from Bihar, Patna. I completed my 10 plus 2 from DAV Public School. My hobby is playing games in computer and coding, and my dream is to become a game developer.
Okay.
Ma'am, thank you.
Mute your microphone. Next, Nisha Jha. Nisha
Good
Jha.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
I am Nisha
afternoon.
Jha. I am Nisha Jha from Maithun, Dhanbad. I passed my 10 plus 2 from DVC plus 2 high school from Jackboard. My hobby is reading books and riding bikes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay, very good. Reading book and riding bike. Okay, very good. Pallavi Kumari. Pallavi Kumari.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My
Okay, thank you. Rajdeep Maji.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am from Durgapur.
My name is Rajdeep Maji. I completed my class 12 from Hemshila Model School. My from CBSE board. My hobbies include reading and sketching. Thank you. That would be all.
Okay. Richa Kumari.
I am, hello.
Yes, yes, yes. It's
Good
audible.
afternoon, ma'am. I
Yeah,
am
good
Richa
afternoon.
Kumari.
Yes.
I belong to Dhanbad. I have done my 12th from SVM Sindri. My hobby is singing. Thank you.
Thank you. Rishika Singh. Rishika Singh.
Good, good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes,
Oh,
good
sorry. Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
Rishika.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes,
My
yes.
name is Rishika. and I'm from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. I did my schooling from Kamal School, Dhanbad, which is affiliated to ICSE. And my hobbies are cooking and baking. And thank you so much.
Cooking. Okay,
Yes,
very good. Okay,
ma'am.
I
Thank
like
you.
also cooking. Very. Okay, mute your microphone. Rohit Singh Yadav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how are you?
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, okay. Good
Fine,
afternoon.
ma'am.
Okay, it's audible.
Good
Okay, tell
afternoon.
me. About yourself, tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am. I'm Rohit from Dhanbad. Yes, ma'am. I'm Rohit from Dhanbad and have done schooling from DAV, which is affiliated to CBSE.
Okay.
And ma'am, my hobbies is to sing song.
Sing a song.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so later I will sing a song from you. Right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Rohit Singh Yadav.
Not.
Remember that one. Okay. Okay, mute your
Yes, ma'am.
microphone. Roshan Singh. Roshan Singh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Uh, First of all, thanks of giving my opportunity to introduce myself, ma'am.
Please turn on your camera. Yes.
I did, ma'am. I am Roshan Singh. I belongs to Asansol and I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Engineering from Asansol Engineering College. And I did my schooling from St. Joseph High School, Asansol. And my hobbies is many more. My hobbies is indoor and outdoor game playing, PUBG and many games. And my hobbies is game development and many apps development.
Okay, have you tried to do anything? Any app? Do you attempt to develop any app?
Uh, Ma'am, development, ma'am. My app development, ma'am.
It's your aim, it's your wish that you want to develop any app.
Yes,
Right
ma'am.
it now? Okay. So best of luck for that one. You tried.
Thank you, ma'am.
That is very prospective path. That is whatever your hobby is that one. Okay. Meet your microphone. Shathi Ruidash. Shathi Ruidash.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
hello.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes,
I am Sathi from Asansol San Relay. I passed my 12th Dhatka NC Lahiri, which is affiliated West Bengal board. My hobby is listening music, etc. Thank you, ma'am.
thank you. Okay. Shilpa Prasad.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Silpa Prasad and I'm from Asansol. And I have completed my class 12 from Sant Mary Goretti, which is under West Bengal board. And my hobby is doing painting. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Shruti Kiran. Shruti Kiran.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I am from Bihar. I am Shrutik and I am from Bihar, Patna. I have done my 12th from the SKM Mahila College and my hobbies is classical dancing. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Shubham Kumar Chaudhary.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I am Subham Chaudhary and I live in Badakar, ma'am. I
Yes.
passed my 10 plus 2 from CBSE board and my hobby is reading books as well as playing cricket.
Okay. Thank you. Simpi Kumari Nonia. Shimpi Kumari Nonia.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Good. You?
Yeah, fine.
This side Simpi from Usagram Asansol. I did my plus two from Vikas Resonance in Vishakhapatnam. I like to do wall painting and keep pets. My aim to become a marine captain.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Mute your microphone. Sneha Sarkar. Sneha Sarkar.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
I'm Sneha. I'm from Purulia. I completed my school from Manisha International School, which is under CBSE. And my hobbies are sketching, drawing, etc.
Okay, mute your microphone. Somnath Ghosh. Somnath
Good,
Ghosh.
good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Somnath.
Ma'am, myself Somnath Ghosh. I am from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. I'm completing 10 plus 2 DAV Public School Baniair from CBSE board. My hobby is playing cricket and listening music.
Okay.
That's it, ma'am. Thank
Okay, thank you. Mute your microphone. Shoma
you.
Banerjee.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Shomo Banerjee. I'm from Asansol and I've completed my 10 plus 2 from Devi Public School, Asansol. And my hobbies include photography and filmmaking.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Saurabh Singh. Saurabh Singh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Very good afternoon.
My name is Saurabh Singh and I am from Dhanbad. I passed my schooling from DAV Public School and my hobby is to listening music and playing cricket and reading books. That's all, ma'am.
Lot of things.
That's all, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Mute your microphone better. Shubhodeep Maji. Shubhodeep Maji.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
I am Subodhi Maji. I am from Raniganj.
Yes.
I passed my 10 plus 12 from Raniganj DAP Public School.
Okay.
And my hobby is playing cricket and drawing.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Shubham Ghosh. Shubham Ghosh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am,
How
my
are
name
you,
is
Shubham?
Shubham Ghosh from Andal. I am
Okay.
fine, ma'am, and you?
I'm also.
Ma'am, and you?
Yeah, I'm also fine, better.
Okay, ma'am. I completed my 10th class from Eastern Railway High School and 12th class from Andal High School. My hobby is playing football and watching movies. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Shumit Nihiracharya, right it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shumit.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I'm Smith Kumar Mihiracharya from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand.
Mm-hmm.
I've completed my 10th board from Jamshedpur from Kerala Public School, Kerala Public School, and I've completed my 12th board from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. And my hobby is to play volleyball.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, thank you. Suraj Kumar.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, it's audible.
Yeah. I'm Suraj Kumar. I'm from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. I've done my plus two from DAV Munidi, and on free time I used to play some PC games.
Oh, okay, PC games. Okay. Okay. Mute your microphone. Barsha Kumari Varnomal.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Barsha.
I'm Varsha Kumari Bandawal. I
Yes.
am from Asansol, Railpal. I passed 10 plus 2 from St. Mary Goretti Girls High School. It is affiliated to West Bengal Board, and my hobby is listening music and traveling. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Vishal Yadav. Vishal Yadav.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Vishal Yadav, and my name is Vishal Yadav from Mirzapur, UP, and I passed my 12th from GNIC
So,
College, Mirzapur.
actually, from where you were, UP.
Yes, ma'am.
But if college start, then you have to. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to take the hostel or PG, right? Now.
Yes, ma'am. What?
Actually, you are from UP. You are telling like that, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after, if the physical class started, then you have to join either hostel or in PG. You have to go over there. Right? Na? That is long distance from UP.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And here almost visual mute your microphone. Okay, here almost I came to know about you. Now about myself, I want to say you that first of all, tell me if this screen is visible or not. First of all, I'm sharing you something.
No, ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Yes, yes, okay. Okay, wait for a minute. Sorry, it's clear now. Are you seeing something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, I'm Joyshree Maji, Assistant Professor of Department of BSAGO of Asansol Engineering College. Okay, and I want to say you something about myself because when you will join the classes in the from the next week actually, also we have our classes tomorrow. I will take that classes from 11. Okay, and already I have sent a link to you in your WhatsApp group. You must join that class because we'll discuss about that physics different portion, different topic in that period, in that class. Okay, so first of all, I'm from Chittaranjan. You know Chittaranjan, a lot of students from Dabur, Rupnanpur and Kulti Barakar, so I hope that all of you know about the Chittaranjan. So I have completed my MS Masters in Physics. The specialization is Electronics and Radio Physics, and then thereafter PhD. I will submit my thesis in the next semester. So that is from NIT Durgapur. And my special field, that is a nanomaterials. I'm working on the biophysics because after synthesizing nanotype materials and then thereafter I just use that one in application of biofield. Biofield like that antibacterial activity, like different type of interesting, too much interesting that field, nanomaterials. Okay, that is the field of my research work. So my teaching experience is near about 12 years and research experience is going on near about 5 years, and I've qualified my GATE exam in 2010. And after that I joined in that teaching profession. From first of all, I joined that SMIT, like that Saurabh Institute of Technology, that is in Hooghly, and thereafter from that one I joined in different research institute like that CMERI, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute. That is the field of the in that institute actually I have started my research work on that field of solar panel, like that titanium oxide. If you study later about the titanium oxide, you can find it that is the most applicable nanomaterials, and also you can apply that is in making any solar panel, solar designing. That is the field of solar panel, and I have joined on that research institute. And after that again I took admission in NIT Durgapur, and I will submit my thesis in the next semester. Okay, that is the field of my research work. these are the different type of publication I have completed already. That is the first one in Journal of Applicable Chemistry, and thereafter another paper, research paper actually, on that Journal of Applicable Chemistry, and have attended lot of international conferences in different places. And also my next two or three, actually three journals are communicated in Bulletin of Material Science and Engineering Material C, and also in a Nature journal. Okay, Nature to publication there. That is a bio-oriented journal actually. Biophysics. My application fields are the biofield. So these are the different portions, different research work, and that is different part of my work actually. So when I'm saying something about myself, before that already I just I've told you about myself that in that college actually I have completed near about 12 years already. I have completed. Okay, so now we will enter in the physics, in the part of physics, that is what is physics. First of all, you have to know that one. That is a physics actually, that science, that part that deals with the structure of different matter and the interaction between the fundamental constituents of the observable universe. In that broadest sense actually, physics you can find in the macroscopic and submicroscopic levels. It's you have a lot of scope to use that physics, concept of physics, in gravitational field, in electromagnetic field, in nuclear force field, in different type of, in cosmic world also. In your if you want to design any technical part like that, if you want to design any chip, you also need the application of physics, because now in that growing day actually, we need the nano micro. We are using the first of all, you also, you are the student right now of the IT section, IT department. So that is the first of all, we are using that we were using that sim, macro sim. After that it becomes micro, and thereafter nano. So whatever the size of the sim reduces, like that, your applications in different part, different portions, using that, if you make it compact, then you will get complete knowledge of that one. Not only that physics is applicable in that mechanical part, it's also applicable in different part, in computational, in any thermodynamical part, in any chemistry, in any physics, any type of field, you have to apply that physics, right now. So we will discuss about lot of things in that next classes about the physics. And in your MACOUT syllabus, you are, that Asansol Engineering College is also under the MACOUT. Okay, that is in that MACOUT you have to know what is the syllabus, how do you take preparation about any exam, when you will crack, when you will want to crack the exam, if you want to give the gate exam, if you want to give that any type of software exam, if you want to just want to crack that any type of competitive exam, whatever, you have to just make a sense, like a basic concept, basic knowledge behind you. Okay now, so that's why you have to go through that physics. That is the basic funda about that physics. So any type of nature and natural physical phenomenon is related with that physics. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right now. So here in that next classes we will discuss about lot of things. So right now, one thing we will do it here. 1 minute. One thing we will do it here, that is basically, first of all, listen it. You have to send a group mail, and how I can construct it, because first of all you have to send your mail ID, whatever you you just use it, you just send it in my mail. My mail ID already is given, and that is Joyshree, Joy. I'm writing it in the chat box. You just follow it, joyshree.aec@gmail.com. In this chat box, I will write it. Just you, after completion that class, joyshree.ac@gmail.com. I just dropped that mail ID. All of you must write your name, your roll number, and your serial number. Okay, and along with your mail ID. I will make a group mail such that a large file, notes, and anything I can send you using my drive. Because more than 25 MB, it's very much difficult to send in any another way in WhatsApp or whatever. I can send you, but it will be better to send it in mail. Okay, so after completion of that class, all of you must send that your mail ID. Just listen it: mail ID, name, WhatsApp number, your contact number, and also your class roll number and roll number. Class roll number means initially you will be in serial roll number when your attendance portal will be started on maybe next week or after next week. Then I have to give the attendance. Actually, how that anyone send a message? Amit, actually, you don't think about that. You have to construct the group mail ID. I will make it. So you just send it to my mail ID, your mail ID, mentioning your name, roll number. Listen it carefully. Whatever you have to send it, name, roll number, serial number, WhatsApp number, and after that WhatsApp number, your mail ID. Okay, just only this information you have to send in my mail ID, and I will construct that one. You don't think that you have to do it. Okay, now any sort of query, because your classes is up to 12:50, but right now 12:54 because that is the first day. So I have to say you lot of things, and I have to introduce with to all of you. Basically, I'm very happy that I will take your class next tomorrow also, and I'm very happy to take that IT department classes right now. So okay, and Nikunj, actually, if you don't receive any roll number, no problem. If you have only serial number, you just send me the serial number, but only mentioning your contact number, WhatsApp number, and mail ID. If I don't write the contact number, all of you listen it, you must send me that contact number. Rajnish Kumar Yadav, actually, just check it in the chat box. Actually, I have sent that mail ID. My mail ID is joyshree.aec@gmail.com. In that mail ID, you just send it. Is it clear? Any question from your side? Any question? Any
No,
question?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you,
Well,
Thank you, ma'am.
own college.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
So
ma'am.
Thank
leave
you,
that
ma'am.
class. Leave that class. You can leave it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Vishal. Thank you. Leave that class, all of you. Please, all of you, leave the class. Rajneesh, please leave the class. Pranay and Rohit Singh.